Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Josef Kupper and Fridrik Olafsson. This game was played in Zurich, Switzerland in 1959. Josef Kupper started with e4. Fridrik Olafsson played c5, the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3, d6, d4. C takes on d4, knight takes on d4, knight to f6, attacking the pawn on e4, defending, a6, knight draw variation, f4, e5, knight to f3, queen to c7, bishop to d3, knight from b to d7, a4, b6, and Josef Kupper castled kingside, bishop to b7, queen to e1, intending queen to g3. g6, there was a change of plan. Bishop to e7 was the original plan, and this is what black usually plays. g6, but now queen to h4, and after bishop to g7, white is intending to play bishop to h6. Of course, first he has to play f takes on e5, d takes on e5, bishop to h6, castling, and now no need to immediately take the bishop. Knight to g5. Black is in a panic mode. Perhaps black should have considered rook from a to c8, fighting for the open file, or semi-open file, or maybe queen to c5 check, and after king to h1, queen to b4. Back to our game. Knight to h5 was played. Bishop takes on g7, king takes on g7. White to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Player with white pieces played. Rook takes on f7 check. What is the purpose of this move? This is removing the defender of e6 square. Black king is in check. King to g8. Of course, player with the black pieces considered rook takes on f7 and didn't like this continuation. Knight e6. Check, winning the queen. Back to our game, so after check, king to g8. Rook takes on f7 was quite impressive. But next move by white is even more impressive. What is it? What would you do? The move is rook to g7 check. Black to move. King to h8. If king takes on g7, then the same problem. And what if knight takes on g7? Well, that is preventing knight to e6, but this move has a tiny downside. Queen takes on h7 checkmate. Back to our game. So we have king to h8. Well, second rook move was very impressive, but now this one is even more impressive. What is it? What would you do? This is the monster rook in action. Check. King to g8. And now the monster rook continues to torture the king. Rook to g7. King to h8. Rook takes on g6. Knight to f6. The monster rook on g6 is now taking a breath. Well, everybody thought so. But he actually called his brother to join the action. Rook to f1. Black to move. Player with the black pieces carefully calculated 7 variations, triple checking everything. And he concluded that he was losing in all these variations. So he picked a move which he went to calculate, hoping to be lucky. Rook takes rook on f8 check. Rook takes rook. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is, well, Monster Rook wanted to make a move, but his chief told him to hold his horses and let the queen to be the star of the show. Queen to h5. Black resigned. For the entertainment purpose, I will show you just one line. Rook to f7. Knight takes on h7. Rook takes on h7. Queen to g5 threatening, rook to g8 checkmate. Rook to g7. Queen to h6 check. King to g8. Bishop to c4 check. King to f8. Queen to h8 check. Rook to g8. Queen to f6. King to e8. Queen to e6 check. King to f8. The monster rook takes rook on g8. The monster rook delivers a fatal blow. Checkmate. And now some people will email me and tell me that there was another way to give checkmate. No need, I already know. Like I said, I will show you just one line. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.